Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi bat bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka niga app na ka Play Store.
Hatu pikwa bagi janjong pikil kuit bha, benar kam, daka Oswell Soup, hilaban yo na barok kidukan.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ke jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ke jingkuli ka jingsio ka barik but hila ban legu ban kuli da ka education loan. Hila ruban syukola ho number kandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani kandai pran riu laisan, ar riu kandai pra.
Ka Executive Committee jong ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council haka arpsan terik unaitung arja apulai kalarai ba kinu ba pelong ya ki jing penyekop khwai dok ha ken hab bandayo jing betchwa na ka District Council ka shem ya garai hadiem bala pen scam ya ka jing pen bana dan ni ka notification bala pen mi da ka Executive Committee haka khat saw terik unaitung arja apulai halo ka United Khasi Jaintia District Fishery Act ka khandai spa san pusau hak jeng kram bigelat pathai kubur hadim balawai ke jengalang jong Executive Committee u Chief Executive Member jong Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council u ba penyak sing CM ulai thu ba council kalarai ban sio no ya ke area saginong trei ba ya ki prangot ki MDC barem jong council kapalakat hadu 0 point san klur
nila rai ban penscam ya ka notification kapala penmi na kalian ka Executive Committee EM in charge yang ka isi jumi bade ka fisheries bakat kum ka notification hapok kani ka United Khasi Jaintia Hills District Fisheries Act 1954 bat kumju la pen khambor yang ni lingba ka rule arkhundai jong ka Assam and Meghalaya rules kat khandai spa sampuwe la pen scam ya kani ka notification ba baro itu kiba penlong yaki jing yakwai dokha ki competition fishing competition baro in hab ban yo eka permission naka district council namang nila dan yalaka jongka act but nila pen trekam yakani but nila pen scam haka isi yaka notification kawami haka khat saw tarik Julai but yakani notification nila pha shabaro san tuli ki district kiba pentup yaki deputy commissioner ki SP yaki bakrau yaki hima gini ban ya trailang ringkat kisnong ban trailang bat ni debat yaki yaka fees bari ban siu shaka council habidi kini ki fishing competition nila bu daka slap le singin sa ki hadian jongka but ki format joki application form ki permission gitu min sa ai ki hadian